If you want to embed a Lucidchart diagram inside a Google Doc, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install the Lucidchart add-on, open it inside Google Docs, and insert your diagram in just a few clicks. This is a super useful workflow if you create flowcharts, wireframes, org charts, process maps, or any kind of visual document that you want to keep inside your doc. It saves time, keeps your work organized, and makes it much easier to share polished documents with your team or clients. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Google Docs document in your web browser. This only works in the online version of Google Docs, so make sure you're not using an offline file. Once your document is open, look at the top toolbar and click on Extensions. From there, hover over Add-Ons, then click Get Add-Ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can install extra tools and integrations for your document. Now, in the search bar, type Lucidchart. You should see the Lucidchart listing appear in the results. Click on it to open the app page. On that page, select Install. Google will then ask you to grant permissions so Lucidchart can connect with your Google account and access the features it needs. Review the permissions carefully, then click Allow or Continue to approve the connection. This step may take a little while, so be patient and do not close the window or tab while the installation is finishing. Once the add-on is installed, go back to your Google Docs document. Now you need to open the Lucidchart side panel. Depending on your setup, you may find Lucidchart under the Extensions menu, or it may appear in the sidebar after installation. Click Lucidchart to launch it inside your document. The side panel will show your available Lucidchart diagrams and documents. From here, browse through your existing Lucidchart files until you find the diagram you want to add. If you have a lot of diagrams, scroll carefully or look through the list until you locate the correct one. When you see the diagram you want, hover over it and click the plus button to preview it. This lets you confirm that you're choosing the right diagram before inserting it into your document. After previewing it, click Insert. Lucidchart will place the diagram directly into your Google Doc as an embedded visual. You can now position it within your content and continue writing around it as needed. This is especially useful if you want to keep your document professional, easy to read, and visually clear. And that's it. You've now learned how to embed Lucidchart in Google Docs from start to finish. First you install the add-on, then you open the Lucidchart panel, and finally you inserted your diagram into the document. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.